Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So this is the part 2 of my Photoshop series, and if you are new to Photoshop and you are not done with the basics, I suggest you go and watch the part 1 of my videos. So I will put the link in the description down below. Please go and check it out. And for today's video, we will be covering different two tools which are brush tool and eraser tool. And I'll also be teaching you how to define brush. So without any further ado, let's get started. So we can find the brush tool here, and when we left click the drop down arrow, we have four different type of tools under this: brush tool, pencil tool, color replacement tool, and mixer brush tool. So in today's video, we will be talking about the brush tool. So this is my brush tool. So actually there is a very common question that why I cannot see the size of my brush. So actually whenever you are working with the brush tool, you should always keep in mind that to keep your caps lock off, because whenever your caps lock is on, your brush tone is not visible. So you don't want that. You should always keep your caps lock off, and that is how your brush size is going to be visible. So let's get started. So you can find all your brushes here. This is your brush panel. These are your different brushes. Actually, I have some extra brushes because I downloaded from the internet because I needed it. So if you want me to create a video on this as well, how to download brushes from the net, please comment down below and I'll make a video on it. But for today, we will be just doing a general brush introduction. So you have different type of brush tools here with you. So what you can do is choose any of the brush like this, number 35. So to increase or decrease the size, you can also go here and increase the size or maybe decrease it. But you don't always have to go to the panel to do it. You can also use the square bracket button that is on your keyboard. Whenever you press the right hand side square bracket button, that is the closing square bracket, the size will increase, and whenever you click the left hand side button, that's opening square bracket button, the size of the brush will decrease. So this is how you do it. So let's choose a color, which color we need to work with. uh, I think I'll choose this blue shade. This looks good. So okay, first of all, we should make a layer. That is important. I'm create another layer for my brush, and then again I'm opening the panel. So I increase the size, and this is the strokes. You can use it like this. So there are different options in it. Talking about the hardness and spacing. Spacing is done for a dotted texture like this. So the more the spacing, there's a more the space between the two brushes strokes. Now, if the spacing, you can adjust the spacing according to your needs. Talking about the hardness, hardness is the edges. So the less the hardness, the more it's, merging in the background. So you can choose the hardness according to your need. So if you choose the more firm you get the outer edges, and the less the hardness, it goes to the more softer side, the more it merges in the background. So this was general brush tool. Now what we can do using a brush tool, we can do so much of that, like we can create different textures. For that you need to use different brushes with different colors. So like I really like this smoke brush, so we'll use this for today. We'll decrease the size by using the left hand side square bracket, and then we'll go within it. So let's choose a color that I want a little light shade, so I'll use this for now, and I'll create some effects using this. Now you can see there's a little bit of marble ombre effect. I'll decrease the size and then I'll again go in it. So this is giving me a really nice edge. Now I will choose a darker shade because I want to give it a little more depth. So, for a better looking. This is how you can create different patterns and different things using brushes. Now, talking about how to define a brush. So you need another file for that. Like I already have this. In here, I have this beautiful flower. So there's two options going within it. First of all is selecting it. So I have selected the white background. You can go in the select and select inverse. So my flower will be selected and I want the flower. So then I've selected the flower. Then I'll go to the edit. There's an option of define brush present. I'll go to here. I'll name the brush flower and that's it. Now when you go there, you will have your brush here. Now choose a color, whichever you like. I'll go with the darker purple and I'll decrease the size and then you can have it like this. So this gives you a variety. You can use different things about it. And this is how you define a brush. And now I will be talking about the eraser tool. So eraser tool also have this option of different types of erasers. You can drop down and you can see what all erasers you have. If you want a flower eraser, you can also have a flower eraser with you. So it's all about using different textures and creating different backgrounds, everything. So this was for today's tutorial. I hope you like it, and I also wanted to tell you that I will be uploading videos every Monday, Wednesday and Saturday. So till then, keep practicing and I will see you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.